Now, today we will be learning some new concepts in MS Excel. Okay. So, what are these concepts? We'll see in details. Okay. Now, you can see here you have certain data. Okay. Like, suppose this data is just for the reference. So, suppose this is name. I have splitted it in two columns, name and surname. Then some time slots were there and some this during that session whether the person was on video or off video, like this the data was there. Okay, so now from this data, suppose I want, see, this is in the form of horizontal, like the timings are in arranged in horizontal. Okay, now I want person wise in vertical. So how I will do it? Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just selecting these, just for reference, I'm selecting these three rows and all the columns. Okay, and now I'm copying it, pressing Control C. Okay, I'm taking one new sheet over here. How I can take the new sheet? See here, from this, right click. Now the moment I copy and make the paste, it gives me lots of paste options. So today we will see the various paste options. Okay, so from copy and normal paste, I am taking paste special. Okay, so the paste special dialog box comes over here. If I am clicking all, so see, as it is pasted. I don't want that. Again, in paste special, I'm taking formulas. Suppose I need only the formulas. So I will select only formulas and click on OK. So here, the formulas that were there will be copy pasted. So here the date is considered at like 7 is to 30. It becomes the ratio 7 is to 30, and accordingly it will show over here. Okay. So see, by pasting or selecting the various options, you can manage the contents. Okay. Again, I'm selecting, just a second. I have selected this. Control C. When will you call this? From the paste special. Now selected the paste special. Now I'm selecting only values. Okay. So here you will see only values are pasted without any formatting, without any details. Okay. In space special, I want only the formats. So you can see the value is not pasted nor the formulas are pasted. But whatever the formatting is there for the cells, that formatting is pasted over here. Sometimes there are comments written on particular cells. So if we want, we can have those comments here. Right now, we don't have any validations. So we will not see the effect of validation. See, nothing, it looks nothing in front of you when we are doing this, because there are no validations being done over here. Okay. Right. Now, one more thing, paste special. Now, while doing it, what I want, all using source theme. So from where I am copying, should I use the same formatting, same uh, font style, same coloring, everything that is there in the source. So that is I am doing. See, as it is taken with all the theme, all the font color, whatsoever it is there, it is considering all. So it is from source theme. Again, one paste special, all except borders. So it will not consider borders now. Only the data is there. So why I'm showing this to you, because our many of the times now our efforts are gone with like just formatting or managing the contents. We want only the column widths. So here only the column width as per the see here from C to O, the columns are of having what is the width. I'll just see the column width over here. Right click column width. So it is 6.29. So in sheet 1 we will see what is the column width here. 6.29. For Q 6.29. So here you can see from column number C to O, the column number as per the selection that we have done there, from there same width of the column is pasted. Okay. So likewise we can manage the copy paste. Once a second. I'll again select this. Control C, paste special. Now formulas and number formats. We have seen that we can manage the number formats by right clicking the number formats option. Okay. So now if we want to paste, while pasting, we want only the formulas and number patterns. Sorry, I did it here only. Copy. And it will be done here. Paste special formulas and numbers. So here you can see the things are there. No border, nothing is there. Only the pattern in which the formats in which we have created the contents, it is there. Okay. Then again right click copy. Oh, I made the modification, so the copy has gone. Now values and number formats. So it will carry only values. No formulas will be generated. Okay. I'll show you this through formulas. I hope you are not getting it. So I am putting one formula here equal to count if. Today I am taking only count if because here no string is there, only the numerics is there, comma 1. So this is the formula, and through formula I'm generating this. Now you can understand it more better. Okay. The value in column number R is generated now not directly by typing but through formulas. So I'm copying this formula here, and the range is from E2 to Q2 and not 1, it is now 2. 2 indicates the value for off video. Okay. So I'm just clicking and dragging it. Okay. So now you can see some of the values are directly typed in and some are through on video through calculations, or you can say some formula. Okay. So now I'll select these three, control C. Now right click, paste special, paste special, formulas and number formats. Okay, so here you will see it is there with the formula. Okay, see the answer in P2. You will see that it is there with the formula. Okay, and if I am selecting paste special, values and number formats. Okay, so now here you will see it is directly uh, converted into the value, not the formula. Okay, now along with these patterns of pasting, there are some operations we can do while pasting, like we want to add something. Okay, see the columns are not there having the names. Okay, then if there are some blanks, I want to skip those blanks. See here, the blank values will not be pasted. Here you can see these were blanks, they are not pasted. Okay, so you can see here they are missed over here. Okay, then very interesting one, what I like most in paste special is transpose. Okay, now you can see the contents that were horizontally available over here, now they are in the vertical format name wise. So here just by managing the paste special, you can create the contents in copy paste or like that as per your choice and freedom. Okay, so instead of doing the things manually, you can use these utilities from MS Excel and get your task done. Okay, so it reduces your lots of efforts. Okay, now one more thing that we can do, suppose I'm copying it. Okay, and in sheet 2 I'm clicking on paste special, paste link. So these values, they will be treated at, see here. Now what it is, when I'm doing paste link, suppose I'm just updating the value over here. I'm making it 21 here. So here you can see automatically it is reflected 21. So that is the beauty. If I'm doing paste link, so people may view this one and you are working on this one. So the moment you make the updations over here, suppose I'm doing in K30, K3 column, I'm making the value 32. You can see here, they will see the updated one. If I don't do paste link, what will happen? Just I'll show you. I'm just doing this copy and right click, paste special, this one, and values and number format. Okay, I'm not doing paste link. Okay, so now in K3 column, I'll just make the change. In K3 cell, I'm making it 32. Now see, there are no updations reflected. So there is no connection in between the two, you can say, sheets or two cells. Okay, so likewise you can manage your sheets, so that suppose in one sheet you are doing some additions and in other sheet you want to reflect it in the form of report, so nobody will be able to what I mean to say कि आपको दो जगह काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. just manage one sheet, it will be reflected to your report. So these are some of the special features that we should follow in Paste Special. Okay. Now this is in the form of Excel cells and rows with some formulas given in that. Okay. I have selected it. Now I don't want I as cell contents, but rather I want them as, see here, formatting is there, options is there. Now I'll just click it and paste it as picture. See, now it becomes a image file and I can carry that image file anywhere where I want. It is unmodifiable, but it is working like a image. So like this, if you want your data to be uh, created for some pasting purpose or some presentation purpose, so you can carry this data in the form of image there. Okay. So if I double click on it, it will not be modified and it will be intact. Okay. This is one option. Then another option in Paste Special was linked picture. Now, what is the beauty of linked picture? See, by mistake I have done 32. I'm making it 2 here. We'll see what change is reflected. Getting? Though the picture is there, through linked picture, it is updated in the image also. And you can carry this image wherever you want. Getting? How beautiful it is. And it is linked through what? Sheet 1 with column number 1 to column number S4. So here you can see from C1 to S4, this sheet is linked with this particular cell. Okay. So likewise, you can manage your contents and get them interactable, and they are really very helpful when, see, if I'm sharing this content to somebody else, can he or she be modifying it? No, they cannot modify. Okay. But if you are modifying or updating some value, it is reflected over here. So it becomes comfortable and reduce ambiguity between you and the person who is viewing it. Okay. Now next option. So I hope everyone has got the beauty of Paste Special. It is not just only Control C and Control V. Under Control V, I would say there are lots of options that can be utilized. So we have seen so many options. Okay. Now, suppose I'm working with, I have created this 2 cells with this type of filling, and their color format is this. Okay. This is of uh, blue color. Okay. So I have 2 rows with this type of formatting. So I want this formatting, only I'm saying about formatting. Huh? So I want this formatting to be applied to some other cells. So how I can apply? So first thing, I have to select the cells I want, then click on Format Painter, and from Format Painter, I'll just click and drag and apply it. So here you can see alternatively the color is changed through all the rows that I have selected. Okay. Now I want this Format Painter. So it is having, see, red color. This column is having red color with yellow background. So if I am selecting this, you can see those many cells are transformed into the updated format. Okay. So if we want manually to apply the proper formats that we have created first, you can use it through Format Painter. Okay. Just by doing Control Z, you can come to the back position. Okay. So these were some of the options that we have worked for, you can say, paste spatial, and managing the links. Okay.